Hello my crochet daisies, welcome back to my colorful crochet world. Granny squares are making a huge comeback. They're trendy, they're stylish and full of charm. So now it's a perfect chance to make this timeless crochet classic in simple way. This video will walk you through the pattern step by step while sharing some tips for making your squares picture perfect. Get ready for fall in love with crochet all over again. As you can see, all the rows are very straight and even. There is no twisting in the stitches and all the colors are joined seamlessly one after one. Okay, you can crochet this granny in any color you like. It can be made in a single color, two colors, even multiple colors. If you're using just one color, simply keep crocheting without changing yarn at the end of the rows. Just turn your work to the other side and continue following the pattern that I'll be showing you. Grab your yarns and let's do this. Start with a slip knot on your hook and then make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then make a slip stitch into the first chain. Insert your hook into the first chain here and bring the yarn out from 2 loops. This is our little ring. If you want, you can make a magic ring. You can find the tutorial of it in my beginner's stitches playlist. Then make 5 chains as a 1 double crochet and 2 chains, and then bring your tail of the yarn and hold it and make your stitches over it. Insert your hook into the circle and make a double crochet in there. For the making double crochet, you must wrap the yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the circle, bring the yarn out from there, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. This is how we make double crochet. Again, make a double crochet. Then after that you make your 5 chains, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains, again make 3 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, and 3. Now make 2 chains. Repeat this diagram 2 more times, making 3 double crochet and 2 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Now make 2 chains. Again, last part, look, 1, 2, and 3. These are our 3 sides of a square, and the last side making 3 double crochet, and then we must join with the slip stitch to the chain space in the last corner. Skip the 3 chains of the 5 chains of the first here. Just insert your hook into the chain space. If you want make this a square with the single color, just keep going along with by the diagram, sorry. And if you are making your square in 2 color or more than it, bring your next color and pull through all 2 loops you have, and then make 5 chains, and then flip your work to the other side and make your stitches over your 2 tail of the yarns. Make 3 double crochet over them into the chain space. 2 and 3. Now we're gonna making 2 tight knots. 1, and 2. Pull the knots as you can, very tight, and then cut them very close to the knot, and here is our ending row. And also pull this tail of the yarn from the first and fasten off and cut it. Okay, look, here is our ending of row. Do this for all the rows you have, and without no chaining, go to the next chain space and make 3 double crochet in there, 2, 3 plus 2 chains, and again 3 double crochet into the same space. Again, without no chain, go to the next chain space in the corner and make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet into there. Two and 3. Do this for the other corner. Make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. Into the last space of a corner, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and go to the chain space here, skip your chains, bring your next color, make a slip stitch and bring it out from 2 loops here, and make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Flip your work to the other side, keep your 2 tail of the yarns and make your 3 stitches over your tail of the yarns into the chain space, 2 and 3, and then make 2 tight knots with your tail of the yarns. Let me make my knots. Pull them as you can and then cut them. If this video brought a little joy to your day, maybe it's a sign we should stay connected. Join the journey by subscribing. Okay, cut the tail of the yarn very close to the knots and continue your work without no chain. Go to the space between 2 clusters of 3 double crochets here and make 3 double crochet into there. And again go to the next space into the corner, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. From here to the all next rows that you have made, make into the corner spaces, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet, and into the each side of the square, into the space between the 3 double crochets, make 3 double crochet without no chain. Okay, Just keep going along with this diagram. Into the corners, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet into the space of the each side, 3 double crochet. Okay, in the end, make 3 double crochet into the corner space and go to the chain space. Skip your chains here and bring your next color and make a slip knot, and bring the yarn out from the loops and make 5 chains. Flip your work to the other side. Keep your tail of the yarns and make your stitches over the tail of the yarn. 2 and 3. Then make 2 tight knots with the tail of the yarns. 1 and 2, and cut them. Okay, and continue with making the stitches by diagram into the first space of the side of the square. Make 3 double crochet without no chains. Go to the next space here, make 3 double crochet into there, 2 and 3, again without no chain. Go to the corner space and make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet into there, 2 chains and 1, 2 and 3. Okay, do this until the end. In the end, after that, you make your 3 double crochet, go to the chain space, bring your next color, make a slip knot, and then bring the yarn out from the loops and make 5 chains and keep going along by the diagram. Into the corner spaces, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet into the each stitches space between the 3 double crochet. Make 3 double crochet without no chains. Okay, in these corners, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet. Do this until you receive to the desired length of the square. Okay, I'd make my square shiny. I love the shiny colors. In the end, fasten off your ending here. Insert your needle into the stitch and bring it out. And done. Just fasten off and secure it between the stitches. Don't push too hard the needle and then cut it. That's how I make my granny squares. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, my lovely yarn friends. Make sure to subscribe, ring the bell and separate the word, because the magic is always better when shared. If you try this pattern, I'd be so happy to see your work. You can send me a photo by email or Instagram. You'll find the links in the description below. Love you all. See you next time. Bye.